allowing. So this is the issue that I was facing for last couple of hours when I am putting this .NET build with my .NET version and Windows option, but it's getting failed and saying that the supported OS platform version cannot be higher than the target platform version. So I haven't mentioned any version in my project, but the problem is in the command. You need to specify the full version as well. So I found it after several hours of searching, and you can get this version from your uh, CS project CS file. And in my case, I have .NET and this Windows version. Remember to add full version, and then you hit, and it will work perfectly. So thank you for watching.